put you in charge? If you guys just want to take off, that's fine, but I am not getting in that van and leaving without him.
Nikki,
Stop on the phone call.
You guys fuck all your cousins or just the ones you find attractive?
People can be